Rob, thank you so much for being with us here today. So this is a very interesting company, BLOK Technologies. You've managed to find a way to integrate, the blockchain space with the cannabis space with green tech. So give us a quick overview of both companies and how that came about.
Sure. So BLOK Technologies is a public company on the CSE, and what we do is we acquire and invest in emerging blockchain technology companies. Our core acquisition, our first acquisition actually, is a company called Greenstream Networks. And Greenstream is in the process of building a supply chain integrity system for the legal cannabis industry. So basically allowing the industry to have a full view, full audit trail of what's going on, the supply of goods, the transfer of value through the whole ecosystem that's being created here in Canada.
And it's essentially a decentralized platform for cannabis, users and producers and retailers. Is that correct?
Yeah, so it's intended initially for the industry and for government regulators. It's a decentralized system, a distributed ledger system, which has a number of really advantages in terms of tracking what's going on within the industry. So it's immutable, which means it can't be hacked. All of these sorts of things, and it provides the regulators, for example, an audit trail into the supply chain and what's going on, the transfer of goods and value, and so will help to eliminate things like black market activity, make sure that all of the tax compliance is happening and regulatory compliance is happening, and that the industry providers, the licensed producers and whatnot, are really assuring the quality and the integrity of their supply of their product going to the end consumer.
And is it unique in this space? Are there any other platforms that operate in the same way?
So we're the first to really be building this. We've been building it since mid last year. We already have a working platform. It's built on what's called the Hyperledger fabric, which is a technology being built by IBM and others. So we're really first to market with it. There are other systems that are blockchain based but tend to be quite siloed, and what we're doing with Greenstream is really creating a network for the entire industry to be a part of, and for those companies that participate to, again, ensure the supply, the quality of their product all the way through the cycle. Yeah.
So where can viewers go to learn more about Greenstream or perhaps even join the platform?
Yeah, so Greenstream has its own website. It's greenstream.tech. And they can also go to BLOK Technologies, BLOK Tech Inc. .com, and there's a link to Greenstream there as well, and also information about our public company and the other investments that we're making as well.
And what's next for BLOK Technologies for the company overall?
We've got a lot of exciting things underway right now, both with Greenstream and with BLOK Tech in terms of other investments. One of the things that's happening and being talked about a lot here at LIFT is the globalization of the cannabis industry and how Canada can really lead the way for this industry worldwide. We're seeing that as well with our technology. We're having countries now come to us and see what it is that we're building and wanting us to come in and build a solution for their particular regulatory environment as well. So watch for some international expansion coming from us and some other investments into other blockchain technologies as well.
Thank you so much, Rob. Appreciate it.
Okay, thanks for your time.